Yes, good morning, children. Welcome back to your online class. Yes, today I'll do English class. Okay, children, lesson number 6. Lesson number 6. A lesson to learn. Lesson number 6 is a lesson to learn. A lesson to learn. Yes, I think everyone got your textbook. Those who did admission, so those who are having due list, those who did not take a textbook, come to office room, show or come to books room, show the due list. I think book has came, come and collect the textbook, okay children. So last class in the maths I told not, books has not came, but I think the message has came in online. So come and collect the textbook. Now lesson number 6, a lesson to learn. Yes, some of the meanings are right, children. Frail, weak. Frail means weak. Fond of, like. Tremble, shake. Blurred, dimmed, not clear. Falter, walk unsteadily. Grasp, hold. Irritated, become angry. Become angry. Spilled, allow to flow. Glanced, take a look at. Pick up, lay, take. Humble, talk in a low voice. Soiled, dirty. Yes, take out your textbook, children. Page number 60. A lesson to learn. So, I'll say this, I'll read this. Take out your textbook, page number 60. A lesson to learn. If you do any mistake, we should learn from elders or small children. A lesson to learn. Okay, in this story, with the small child, parents are learning what mistake the parents did from the small child, they're going to learn. A frail old man went to live with his son, daughter-in-law, and a 5-year-old grandson. Frail means, I told, weak. When we become old, we'll also become weak. Yes, no, your grandfather, grandmother, they're so weak. The frail old man went to live with his son, daughter-in-law, and a 5-year-old grandson. With daughter-in-law and son, he's going to stay. They one 5-year-old grandson. Soon the little boy grew fond of his grandfather and spent a lot of time with him. Soon the little boy grew fond. See, fond means like. He liked his grandfather very much. But daughter-in-law won't like. Daughter-in-law means, so say. Maga so say. Yes, no? Soon the father's father will be, So like that, this grandfather will come to live with his son and daughter-in-law. But soon the little boy liked his grandfather very much and spent a lot of time with him. The old man's hands trembled, shake. When your grandfather, grandmother, they'll shake their hand. They're so weak. Trembled, his eyesight was blurred. Blurred means they can't see. See, blurred, dimmed and not clear. It won't be clear. It will be so blurred. They can't see. Somebody is standing. So they don't know who is standing. If they see the newspaper or TV, they can't see clearly. And his steps flattered, walk unsteadily. He won't walk properly. He won't walk by shaking only. He'll walk. The little boy held his grandfather's hand and gently led him to the dining table at a meal time. So when their father and mother were having, the little boy, what he did, he brought his grandfather by holding the hands near the dining table. Son also did not call to have lunch, or daughter-in-law did not call, but this small boy helped his grandfather because he liked his grandfather very much. Has no children, so he liked his grandfather. So he held his hand and he brought his grandfather near the dining table at the meal time. The family always ate their dinner together, night time. After going for work and coming from work, they'll eat together at the night time. So he brought his grandfather by holding his hand near the dining table at the meal time. But the old man shaking hands and failing eyesight made eating rather difficult. He was so old, his hands were shaking. If he take his food also, the food will fall on the table and all, because he can't see also where the plate is there, the food has fallen down or not. So he can't see properly. His hands were shaking also. So it made difficult to eat. He often dropped things. So while eating the food, he spit on the table also. When he grasped the glass, when he hold the glass, the milk spilled on the tablecloth. The dining table, they put the cloth. So he was unable to hold the glass because the hands were shaking so much. So he spilled the milk on the table. The son and the daughter-in-law become irritated with the mess. The son irritated means become angry. Even son also become very angry. Daughter-in-law leaves. Some of the daughter-in-law, they won't take care of their father-in-law and mother-in-law, but they take care of their mother and father. Yes, no? So, but your son also become irritated when his father split the milk on the table. So one day when the old man was drinking coffee, the cup slipped from his trembling hands and the coffee spilled on the floor. So when he was drinking coffee on the other day, so when he was drinking coffee, his hands were shaking. So he spilled on the floor. We must do something about this man, said the son. Son means that grandfather's son only. Yes, no? So he will say, for this grandfather, we should do something. So every day he's making dirty on the table, floor, everything. So he told, we must do something about this man. Said the son, I have had enough. I can't tolerate this anymore, said his wife. So his wife told, I can't tolerate about this. About this, I can't tolerate. He is doing very irritating me. So I'll get very angry whatever he do the mistake. So daughter-in-law will say, so son will say, I'll do something for this man. The next day, the son and the daughter-in-law set a small table in a corner of the dining room. So dining room will be for them. So what he did, he set a separate table for that old man. Son only did, not grandson. Son only did separate table for his father. Their grandfather ate alone while the rest of the family enjoyed dinner at the dining table. The old one was sitting alone in the dining room, corner of the room. He was eating alone. So he was feeling so sad also. But the whole family, father, wife, daughter-in-law, wife means the daughter-in-law for the grandfather, son and grandson, they were eating separate in the dining table on the dining room. Grandfather did not say anything, but when the family glanced in his direction, they noticed tears in his eyes as he ate alone. Glanced, take a look at. Spilled means allowed to flow out. He spilled on the ground, it fell down. Glanced. So he was eating alone. When grandfather was eating alone, he felt very bad, lonely. He felt very lonely. Water, in his eyes, the waters were coming. So the family noticed. So they glanced like this. Oh, he's crying. They noticed tears in his eyes as he ate alone. As time passed, grandfather grew weaker and weaker. So after some days, the old man became still old, weaker and weaker. He had no strength left. One night, as he was eating, his hand shook so much that the bowl of rice fell down. So he was sitting on the dining room, separate in the corner in one of the dining room. He was sitting separate, one small table for him. He was sitting alone, one bowl of rice. So he has become old now. He was getting weak. So while he was eating, the bowl of rice fell down because he can't hold also. All the rice fell on the floor and the bowl broke into pieces and grandfather looked very scared. Scared means afraid. So because son also will scold, daughter-in-law also will scold. So he got very scared because the bowl of rice fell down and it broken into two pieces. So she got so scared. He got scared. I am sorry, he mumbled very slowly. He told, I am sorry. But his daughter-in-law was very angry with all the mess. So the daughter-in-law was very angry. So daughter-in-law was very angry when he told sorry because she got very angry because all the rice fell down. She wanted to clean. Yes, no? So she said to him, no more cups and bowls for you, old man. No more cups to drink, no bowls to rise. I am going to serve all your food in a wooden bowl hereafter. So she made a wooden bowl. Wooden means this will sit wooden table. That divan is there, no? Wooden. That is only wooden piece. So she made a bowl in that. If it falls also, it won't break because plate under it will break. Yes, no? So she told, I'll make you a wooden bowl. The little boy looked at his grandfather sadly. The little boy was observing what mother and father were talking, how grandfather was scared of his parents. He picked up the pieces from the floor and cleaned up the place. The little boy looked at his grandfather sadly and he cleaned. That boy only cleaned everything. The next day, grandfather was served food in a wooden bowl. The grandfather was served food in the wooden bowl. The little boy watched it all in silence. But a small boy, he like his grandfather. So what is parents, father and mother doing for grandfather? He was observing everything silently. One evening, just before dinner, they want to have dinner at night now. So before dinner, the father noticed his son playing with the pieces of food on the floor. So what the small boy did? Father and mother gave a bowl, wooden bowl to old man, the bowl full of rice and the wooden bowl. Because wood piece, if it fall also, it won't break. So they gave, but the small boy was observing everything what parents were doing. So the next day, the small boy was playing with the wooden pieces on the floor. So what are you making, dear? He asked it sweetly. Father asked, what are you doing with these wooden pieces? He was asking sweetly. Sweetly, the boy replied. So sweetly, when boy did not get angry, he replied so sweetly. I am making a wooden bowl for you and mama. So he's saying, I am making a wooden bowl for you. That means father and mother. When you grow old, I will serve you food in this bowl. Because that father and mother, they served for their grandfather. Means that father is there, no? So for his father, he has served the food in the wooden bowl. So grandson, small boy observed everything. He told to his father, when you become old, when you and mama, means father and mother, you become old, I will serve you food in the wooden bowl. When you grow old, I will serve you food in this bowl. The boy smiled and went back to work. So he replied to his father so sweetly because small boy, he replied, I am preparing for you bowl for mommy and daddy. So father What he did, the parents were shocked when they heard this. Yes, parents will think, why so small boy only is saying, I won't take care of you. He did not say directly, I don't take care. But he's saying, when you become old, I'll prepare wooden bowl now itself. So when you become old, you can have in this. They looked at each other. When the small boy spoke, father and mother, they saw each other. Tears flowed down their cheeks. Okay, they looked at each other. The tears flowed down their cheeks. Though they said nothing, both knew what had to be done. So, when that boy spoke, I'm preparing a wooden bowl for you when you become old. So, they felt so badly, father and mother, parents, they become very sad also. They looked at each other and their cheeks, okay, so they flowed down their cheeks. Though they said nothing, both knew what to be done. That evening, the son took his father's hand gently and gently led him back to the family table. That evening, the son took father's hand, not small son. Father took his grandfather. So it's a father. Grandson was, he told no that I'm preparing bowl for his father and mother, mommy, daddy. So what his father did, son, what he did, he brought his father to the dining table gently by holding his hand. The daughter-in-law lovingly served him food and helped him to eat it. Okay, so son, daughter-in-law, so say, maga so say, yes, no. So they brought his father and father-in-law near a dining table holding his hand because small boy, grandson has told that I won't take care of you. So when you become old, so I am preparing wooden bowl for you. So they felt very bad what his son told. So they thought their mistake. So now also what we do mistake, the same our children will do. Yes, no? You also, what your parents will do for your grandfather, grandmother, you will also do for your father and mother. Yes, no? If your father, mother take care of your grandfather, grandmother, you will also take care of your mother. Yes, no? Because we learn from the parents only everything. Yes, no? If they are good, we will also be good. If your parents are very bad, they won't take care of your grandmother, grandfather. Even you also, oh, they are not taking care. We should also not take care of father and mother. We'll send them out. Yes, no? So this father realized his mistake. So he brought his father, his grandfather near the table. Lovingly, the daughter-in-law served the food. From that day, they didn't bother what when grandfather spilled milk or soiled means dirty, the tablecloth or dropped food or even broke a cup of or a bowl. The little boy saw this and smiled. The little boy did not say, I won't take care of father and mother, but he told sweetly, for you I am preparing wooden bowl. So father realized his mistake. So the grandson told his father. So son, what he did, he went to his, means that's grandson's grandfather, he went to his father and brought near the table. Son brought holding his hand. So daughter-in-law served with lovingly the dinner. So they lived happily. The son saw everything, what father and mother doing. Just he gave one smile. So a lesson to learn from a small boy. Yes, no? So if parents do mistake, their children will do. Yes, no, children? So you should take care of your parents also. Your parents should take care of your grandfather and grandmother also. So for elderly people, everyone should take care by lovingly. Okay, children? So here, this lesson has been finished. Okay, the last class, what homework I'm given? Sorry. So lesson number 6. Lesson number 6. This meaning those who are not having textbook. I know some of the children are coming to collect the question paper. They are bringing the classwork for correction. I know so many children have not done the admission. So those who have done the admission textbooks, they are issuing. Come and collect it soon as possible. Those who have not done the admission, so this is your homework. Lesson number 6, a lesson to learn. English homework. meanings. Meanings 3 times. See, English homework, first main meanings, lesson number 6, a lesson to learn. This is on your English homework. Okay, children? 3 times. Write neatly. So many are writing in the pen so dirtily. We can't do correction also, your homework. So write neatly. Don't write like this, putting line here only like this and all. Just leave place and draw the line here. This is wrong. Okay, children? You should not write like this. So still more time is there. So I'll do lesson number, poem I'll do, poem number 3 I think so, no children? Yes, poem number 3, poem number 1, God made them all, poem number 2, a kitten. Now poem number 3, what is pink? Just copy, pause your mobile, just copy these meanings in your homework only directly, write 3 times. Yes, poem number 3, what is pink? Yes, poem. What is pink? What is pink? A rose is pink. Yes, rose is pink in color. By the fountain's brink. Brink means edge. By the fountain's brink. The mountain, the corner, edge. By the fountain's brink. What is red? A poppy is red. A poppy means a small plant with showy flowers. Poppy flower. Show flower. In its barley bed. Barley means a kind of grains. Yes, no? Barley. Barley means it's a kind of grain. What is blue? The sky is blue. The sky is blue in color. Where the clouds float through. Clouds will float through the sky. It will move. The clouds will move in the sky. What is white? A swan. Swan is white. Swan means, you know, a bird. Sailing in the light. What is green? The grass is green with small flowers between. Yes, grass will be there. Small flowers show like small yellow, pink, like that. The flowers will be. What is violet? Clouds are violet. In the summer twilight. Twilight means the time of day following sunset. So twilight means the getting dark, the sunset. Sun rises in the morning, the sun sets in the evening. So it will be dark, dusk color. It will become dark. What is orange? Why an orange? Just an orange. So this poem is easy, children. So next class, if I give homework, Don't worry, textbook is not there means I will write it on the board. Okay, children? So I'll read once again. Those are having textbook, just go through it. What is pink? A rose is pink. By the fountain's brink. What is red? A poppy is red. In its barley bed. What is blue? The sky is blue, where the clouds float through. What is white? A swan is white, sailing in the light. What is green? The grass is green, with small flowers between. What is violet? Clouds are violet, in the summer twilight. What is orange? Why an orange? Just an orange. The poem is written by Christina Rossetti. So, practice this poem, children. So much time is there. So, your FA2 test, because FA1 test finished. So, after FA1, we should conduct FA2. But before Dasara, the government has told to conduct SA1 exam. SA1 means it's exam, first term exam. So, exam has been finished. So, within a week or 10 days, your FA2 test will come, second round test. So learn this poem, complete your classwork. PDF has come before only. Complete lesson number 5, Tenali Raman. Lesson number 6, a lesson to learn. What is pink? Complete up to this 2 lesson and 1 poem. One more lesson. I'll do it in the next class, children. That is very lengthy. So new types and all I won't give because so many parents complain, no textbook. Teachers are writing on the board, coming to office, give the textbook. So no need this, anyhow will give revision, worksheet, everything. So you can learn in that. If you can try new types in the textbook, okay children. So if time is there, if everyone get the textbook, at the last we'll complete this new types, okay children. So no need to worry, read this poem, practice the poem because for test it is there. Okay, if no textbook also, don't worry. While revision, we are giving on the board only. Okay, children. In worksheet, we won't give the poem. Revision, we'll give the poem. So learn the poem. So your homework, I told lesson number 6, a lesson to learn. I wrote some of the meanings on the board 3 times. So your homework is 3 times. So here I'll end my class. Thank you.